up, Myrtle Beach Travel Park? Welcome back to our virtual activity corner. Happy July 4th week. Today we're going to be doing our star craft. So in your bag, you're going to have a foam star, a popsicle stick with a glue dot, and 4 pieces of ribbon. So what you're going to do is you're going to punch out these little holes in the bottom of your star first. Then you're going to attach the popsicle stick to the back of your star between the holes.
You want to push down kind of hard on it to make sure it stays on.
Just like that. Now you're going to take your ribbons and tie one ribbon into each hole. You can do them in whichever order you would like. And there you have it. You can take some scissors and you can curl these some more if you would like. You can decorate your star however you would like. And we hope you guys have a great 4th of July. Bye guys.
Bye guys.